It's me, Mimi. You know, Mike's cat. Just causing trouble as usual. Ah, you know you love me. I spy wet food! Give me some of that good stuff. Wait a second. A maze? I have to find my food? Game on! Jeez, it's tight in here. Ooh. Wait, here? Yuck! Nope, no food. I don't think so. This is gonna be tricky? But treats are on the line. And this kitty is hungry, people. Fat cat? Rude. Ha! I made it. Just thin enough, baby. Whoa, I'm not stepping in that. What do I do? Am I getting close? Wait, a secret entrance? I'm brave, I can do this! Yikes, I hate this stuff! Ew, tape? Gross. Wait a minute, folks. Ding, ding, ding! Showdown time! I'm getting hungry now. I don't care about the rest. Work smarter, not harder.
Oh, Mimi?
Ha! Watch the fur, bro! I just finished licking myself. Okay, personal space.
I found you.
I can't get any peace.
I know.
See ya. Weirdo. I need shelter! And some armor. Oh, the magic of mirrors. Optical illusion hideout in full effect. He won't suspect a thing. Yep, nice and cozy. This should buy me some alone time. No more wet kisses for me.
Oh, Mimi?
He's coming!
Mimi? I thought she was in here. Super weird. Mimi, you in here? Where could she be? This is crazy!
Yeah, crazy smart. I'm one clever cat! Whoa, you good, bro?
Huh?
That face? Say cheese? This angle is everything.
Mimi! Okay, that's it.
Catch me if you can.
Oh, yeah? Huh? What?
Dinner time? Hello?
I don't think so.
You sure about that?
Actually, 1 second? How about a little extra?
That's right.
I've had to pee for an hour! The potty's calling my name. I hate to do this.
You want to go viral?
No? I'm never peeing again. Well, well, well. What do we have here? Oh, how the tables have turned.
Huh?
Gotcha! In high def, too!
What? You're going down, Mike!
Ow!
I don't think so. Problem solved! Oh no! Was that bubble gum? Excuse me? Care to share?
Huh?
Are you kidding me? Just look at that greedy chewer. You don't even want it? Oh, this is unbelievable. But that's okay. Another one bites the dust. And I'm coming out on top. Yeah, baby. Let's go! More! Last bit. It's starting, look! This thing's gonna be huge. Up, and away. See ya, Mike?
What?
I'm off to bigger and better.
Hey!
It's been swell. I'll miss you.
Mimi! What?
The air really is better up here. Look how small everything is. A full moon. I wonder if it's really made of cheese. Wow! I didn't think I'd get this high. Uh-oh! This kitty's going down.
Gotcha!
Thanks, Mike. No way, an empty bathroom? Let's have some fun, shall we? Mike will never see this coming! Haha, bring on the go. And just like that, it's showtime. His morning coffee. Perfect. This should get things moving. And if that doesn't, this definitely will. And for a little crunch. Oh yeah! This is gonna be good.
Hope my coffee didn't get cold. Looks pretty good. What the? Oh! I need a toilet! Now! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Almost there! Almost there! Huh? But how? What even is this stuff? I can't use the toilet like this.
Yeah, baby!
Is that a relaxed kitty I see?
Bingo!
Time to make some moves. Tail time! It's mine! Got it!
Oh no, he must be stopped! He thinks my tail is a toy? We'll see about that. Slime, anybody? How about in between your toes? Let's see you like that?
What time is it?
What the?
And we have contact people. That goo is gooing.
Huh? What's in my shoe?
Ew!
That's so gross! Yuck! I have to change my socks.
Ew, yuck.
That'll teach him.
Where is it? The chocolate is calling my name! Yum!
The TV and a snack. You think you're clever, huh? That ice cream is mine.
Whoa, what happened? I don't remember eating this! Mimi?
Well, gotta run.
She wants a snack? I'll give her a snack. We all scream for shaving cream. Oh, night-night. Hey, hey, hey!
Oh yeah!
She's eating it! Yep, you like that?
A little sour if you ask me. Hey, the bathroom's free?
Gotta go!
I don't think so.
What? I have to go!
So do I.
Too much coffee.
Me first.
No, me!
Slow poke.
No! Gah! Anyone else seeing stars? Gish! Hey, Mimi! Get out of there!
Your cries mean nothing. Oh yeah.
You wanna play? Okay. I'm coming in whether you like it or not!
What a relief. Gotta stay clean. Whew, all yours, Mike.
Huh? Oh no!
Don't need the bathroom anymore, huh? A clear hallway, huh? Perfect. Perhaps a nice trip is in order.
Good morning?
Indeed. Nailed it! It happened? He's out like a light!
What? Why am I down here? Mimi! You did this? Didn't you?
Nuh-uh.
Two can play this game, but it'll take a little prep. Legs, assemble! Looks pretty real, right? I never go anywhere without my shoes. Wow, what a disaster. Crushed like a pancake. Or am I?
Mike? You good, bro? Where is that boy? Now we wait. Here he comes! Ha, he's falling, look! Yeah, that's right! Is he down? Oh no! What have I done?
Gotcha!
So comfy.
What? Oh, whatever.
Sorry, not sorry.